Hey guys, welcome back to another DIY video this Diwali. In today's video, I'm gonna make these beautiful Diya stands that you can mix and match. And I made some special Elephant Diya stands that you can use as home decor. If you're thinking about Diwali gift boxes, then these Diya stands would be perfect and your friends and family will definitely love these. This Diwali, make some handmade love and share it with your friends. And all these Diya stands are eco-friendly, made out of terracotta and airdry clay. Now, without any delay, let's get started on how to make these beautiful Diya stands. I'm using these terracotta mini saucer plates which are used under the planters and mini terracotta pots. I made a hanging decor using these mini terracotta pots in my previous videos. I have provided links and details for all the items used and where I found them. Please check out the video description. Using E6000 glue, I am attaching the terracotta pot in reverse as shown here. Let it dry completely before painting it. I always love to do a base white coat before painting, as this will enhance the colorful paint later. It's like preparing our own canvas to paint. You can paint it with any color of choice. I added 2 coats of paint to get the desired color. I'm doing a simple mandala dots art on these Diya stands. You can also work with your kids in painting these Diya stands and they will have fun and learn something new. Let it dry completely and add a UV protection varnish. As I am planning to use them outdoors, this varnish will help. These Diya stands can be used by placing another Diya or a tea light candle. Works perfect for indoors or outdoors. For making these elephant diyas or elephant decor, I am using a silicone mold that I found on Amazon. I am using airdry clay to make these cute little elephants. Here are some tips that would help you in making this mold. Initially, when I tried making these diyas, I was not sure how much clay I should use with this mold, and they were not coming up good. Either I had too much clay or too little. I started measuring the clay and then tried it. After 2 attempts, I got the right amount of clay that will work perfect with this mold. So, I am using 1 1/4 of a tablespoon for each side. First, knead the clay to avoid any cracks. Then, I slowly inserted the clay into the mold and adjusted the corners. Then, I am using some water to even the surface. Whenever working with airdry clay, use water to even the surface and any cracks while making the shape. I am closing the mold as shown here and gently pressing it so that the centers of the mold are closed. Gently remove the mold and here our super cute elephant is ready. If you see any gaps like this, let it dry for an hour and then use some clay to cover it up as shown. Use water to even the surface. Use 1/4 tablespoon of clay and make a round ball. Then slowly make a round hole and pinch a corner to form Diya shape. Using a pen, I am marking some round marks on the diya and use water to even the surface of the diya. Make all the airdry clay diyas and elephants and let them dry for 48 hours. Now let's paint these beauties. Please follow along. paint is dried, I am attaching the diya to the elephant stand as shown here using E6000 glue. Aren't these diyas cute? I wanted to create a stand where I can place this elephant decor and a diya or place two diyas on one stand. So I came up with this third idea. Similar to first idea, I am making the diya stand using terracotta pots. The sides of this terracotta saucer are small, so I added some clay to one side as shown here so that I can add a wooden base that will hold either a diya or elephant decor. I created different mandala dots design here. Add UV protection varnish and these diya stands are ready. Now these multi-purpose diya stands can be used with elephant decor we made or with diyas or even some tea light candles. Decorate them as per your need. I hope you like these diya stands and got some ideas for this Diwali. And don't forget to enter in my Diwali giveaway. Please check description for details. Once again, thank you very much for watching.